Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best deals and insights on the latest tech gadgets. Before we dive into the exciting world of door security and the remarkable Black Friday discounts on Ring doorbells, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. It's your gateway to the best deals that this shopping season has to offer. There's never been a better time to enhance your home security affordably and efficiently. So without further ado, let's jump into it. In the world of door security, the Black Friday discounts on Ring doorbells are nothing short of significant. As the holiday season approaches, the opportunity to enhance your home safety has never been more accessible or affordable. Amazon, the colossal online marketplace, has been offering up to a whopping 60% off on their devices, including the Ring Video Doorbell during Black Friday. This state-of-the-art doorbell, now in its second generation, boasts features such as 1080p HD video, live view, night vision, advanced motion detection, and two-way audio with noise cancellation. It's not just about the doorbell either. The device comes with a 1-year limited warranty and receives software security updates for at least 4 years after its last availability for purchase. But the incentives don't stop there. Amazon Prime members can enjoy fast and free delivery, exclusive deals, and access to award-winning movies and TV shows. That's a bargain that extends beyond the doorbell itself. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the Ring Video Doorbell's features. The doorbell can be powered by a built-in rechargeable battery or can be hardwired to an existing doorbell system. It requires a high-speed internet connection and operates in temperatures ranging from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscription plans for additional features and digital notifications are also available for Ring devices, offering a customizable security experience to suit your specific needs. And if you're unsure about the performance of the Ring Video Doorbell, Amazon provides customer reviews and ratings to help you make an informed decision. To summarize this Black Friday, Amazon is offering significant discounts on Ring doorbells. This advanced piece of technology, complete with a plethora of features, is now available at a fraction of its original price. Prime members stand to benefit even more with exclusive deals and fast, free delivery. So as the holiday season draws near, it might be the perfect time to give your home the security upgrade it deserves. The Ring Video Doorbell, with its advanced features and robust performance, is an investment in peace of mind. Don't miss out on these amazing Black Friday deals. Whether you're an Amazon Prime member or not, there's a perfect deal waiting for you. So why wait? Secure your home and give yourself the gift of peace of mind this holiday season. Check out the link in the description below to get your Ring doorbell today. Remember, these offers are limited and won't last forever. Make the smart move. Act now. Remember, a safer home is just a click away.